Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're focusing on the Asus UX371E, a model known for its sleek design but also for some common issues, like a damaged DC. Let's dive into the repair process step by step. First, ensure you have the right tools. You will need 1. A precision screwdriver set, specifically, a Phillips No. 0 and a Torx T5. 2. A plastic spudger to help open the casing without causing damage. 3. An anti-static wrist strap to protect the internal components. 4. Isopropyl alcohol and microfiber cloths for cleaning. Start by disconnecting the power supply and removing the battery. This is crucial to prevent any electrical shock. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the casing, being careful not to apply too much force to avoid breaking any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the EC chip. It's usually situated near the battery connector. Inspect the chip visually for any signs of damage, such as burn marks or corrosion. If you find any, this might indicate a need for replacement. Before proceeding, consider that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation if you're unsure about the condition of your device. Now, let's clean the area around the EC chip. Using a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol, gently wipe down the surfaces to remove any dust or debris. A clean workspace is essential for successful repairs. Next, if you suspect that the EC is damaged, you'll need to solder it from the motherboard. This process requires a soldering iron and some soldering experience. If you don't have the tools or expertise, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, which can save you the hassle of traveling to a repair shop. If you're comfortable with soldering, apply the soldering iron to the connections of the EC chip, allowing the solder to melt. Carefully lift the chip off the motherboard using tweezers. Be sure to keep track of the orientation of the chip for when you install the new one. Once the old EC is removed, prepare the area for the new chip. Clean the pads on the motherboard with isopropyl alcohol to ensure a good connection. Then, position the new EC chip in place, ensuring it's aligned correctly. Solder the new chip in, making sure each connection is secure and there are no solder bridges. After soldering, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips are secured, and replace the screws you removed earlier. Before powering it on, double-check that everything is connected properly and that there are no leftover screws. If everything looks good, reconnect the battery and plug in the power supply. Now, power on your Asus UX371E. If it boots successfully, congratulations! If you experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our service is designed to simplify your experience without any calls or travel required. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the repair of a damaged DC on your Asus UX371E. Remember, whether you choose to tackle this yourself or utilize our professional services, we're here to help every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.